Okay kids, today we're looking at Paris as a city break. And our success criteria is, can you identify the advantages, the good things and the disadvantages of Paris as that city break venue? To do that, you're going to put your advantages on your green bubble map and your disadvantages, yep, you've guessed it, on your red bubble map. So on your sheet it says take a city break to Paris. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Is it? Is it really? Well, why go? Why go to Paris? First of all, it's like a film set, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. It is called the City of Light, littered by golden stone facades, famous monuments and packed with vibrant, exciting attractions. No matter how well you know it, how many times you've been, there is always something new. Well, when should you go? Is there a bad time to go to Paris? No, there isn't. The atmosphere changes at different times of the year. In the autumn it bursts with a new cultural season, winter is a time for festivals and feasting, and May and June sees Paris lazying into the summer, while in August it slows down to a standstill as the Parisians head for the seaside. There really is a time for everyone to visit. When would you visit? When would you not visit? Is it an advantage? Is it a disadvantage? Getting there? Easy as 1, 2, 3? Are you sure? Well, the two main ways are trains and flying. First of all, trains. The simplest way is to travel by Eurostar from London, St Pancras, the centre of London, into central Paris in as little as 2 hours 15 minutes. Dropped off in the centre. That's fantastic. Easy to get to your hotel, easy to get to the main attractions. You could even go for a day trip. And fares vary from a easy-going £69 to an expensive £309. However, you can get to London from all over the UK in maybe an hour, 2 hours, so it's easy to travel by train. Flights, far quicker, maybe only an hour and 15 minutes, but Paris Airport is 17 miles away from the city. Do you want a €9.50 taxi ride or a long bus ride in heavy traffic after you've travelled by air? I'm not sure. However, there are plenty of British Airways flights, EasyJet and all of France flying from airports all over the UK. Right, here we are, the need to know basics. Well, the currency is the easy euro. Okay, the time difference is only 1 hour ahead, so no big change in your hours. Travelling times, London to Paris by Eurostar, 2 hours 15 minutes, and flying is just about 1 hour. And most people, the vast majority of people speak French, but most will speak some English. You make the effort with Mademoiselle or Monsieur, and I'm sure they'll reply kindly back to you. So, when you're there, getting around, is it easy? Well, there's plenty of different methods. First of all, the public transport system is very efficient. It incorporates the underground, buses and trams, and is quite cheap. Bikes, well, if you're brave, you can also try a bike. The enormous public bike hire scheme, with more than 20,000 bikes and some 1,500 stations. That's good for the environment, cutting pollution. But even better for the environment and easier, take some exercise and go for a walk. Paris is a compact size, meaning it's easy to visit on foot. Finally, you could take a taxi. They could be hailed on the street or from taxi ranks, but often are in very short supply because they tend to congregate around the airports and stations. And also, the Paris roads are clogged and jammed. The most jammed capital in Europe. Do you really want a slow journey in a taxi? Right then folks, go ahead and look at your bubble map. What advantages of Paris are there as a location? Is it close? Is it far? Is it an easy journey? Is it hard? Is it heavy traffic? Is it not? You decide. And the things that you think are difficult, put your disadvantages, your red bubble map. Okay, thank you for listening. Goodbye.